It was a typical day with another body to wash, and another family crying for the one they lost. This room, the room no one wants to enter. The room where we will be stored and washed in before we are sent to our grave. The room we are warned about day after day. Everything was normal until we opened the box. It was an awful strong smell. Unlike the other bodies we washed before, some of us couldn't even handle it and left the room. I told them to get the body out while I get the water ready. But something else happened. They couldn't carry the body. Even though he was a skinny man. I went to help them, but we still failed. So we needed more help. After getting the body ready, I noticed his skin was white, but his face was dark. I was thinking to myself, what's wrong with this man? His strong bad smell that other bodies didn't have. His abnormal weight for his size, his very dark face compared to his skin. Something was wrong. I wasn't the only one who noticed this. Another brother from the volunteers on his way out asked me, what was wrong with that body? I said, I don't know. On my way out, I had to do it. I had to ask the family. She said something I will remember for the rest of my life. He never prayed. You're wrapped with the same type of cloth they wrapped you with when you were born. You came with nothing to this earth and left with nothing. Where's your family that distracted you from praying now? Where are your friends? Where's the money? Where's the fame that distracted you from praying now? Everything has vanished. And you might have thought that you were too young to die, but death does not know old or young.
قالوا لم نك من المصلين قالوا لم نك من المصلين قالوا لم نك من المصلين ولم نك نطعم المسكين وكنا نخوض مع الخائضين